Well, good morning and happy Monday. I hope everybody had an excellent weekend. And I just wanted to make a quick announcement again instead of having to send out a bunch of texts where you might have missed one or two details. I want to make sure I share this video with you so you know exactly what's happening this week. So just as a reminder, today there is no required Google Meet. I don't know about you guys, but I think that this format has really worked well preparing for this test. And I'd love your feedback. I've already gotten some feedback from others, but if you don't like what's going on right now, let me know that too, because that is valuable information. But I like this opportunity for you guys to be able to drop in only if you need to, but everybody has access to the video solutions for that review, so you can only have to pay attention to the parts you want. So again, if you are enjoying this format, please just send me a quick email just so in that way I can have that information. And then if you're not enjoying it, if you're like, you know what, I really miss going over that, or doing things differently, or have any other suggestions, please share that with me too, because I'm already starting to think about next semester and making plans. And I think if I find that there's some unique things that I'm trying now that I think would continue to be good to use next semester, I want to do that. So remember that you have those video solutions to watch. That's all you got to be doing today. So there's no Google Meet. You don't have to worry about showing me anything for attendance today. I'm just assuming that you're working on what you need to be doing to get ready for the test tomorrow. Because it really doesn't mean anything to get marked present on a day. What means something is doing well in the test. And so that's what you need to be doing, is preparing for that for tomorrow. And so if you want to come to the Google Meet, I will have it open. And so you can jump in there. You can ask any questions from any of the different assignments. If there's a concept that you're not quite understanding or not getting, I'd be happy to go over that. If you have a question from the review, I always request that you watch that video first, because the way that I explain it probably won't be that much different. But if you come to me and say, I watched the video, I watched how to do number 17, but there's this one part that I'm just not quite getting, I'd be happy to spend more time on that one part for you. So don't think that I'm refusing to work on the review with you. It's just I want to make sure that you've referenced that video first from the review. Also, speaking of videos, I also have a video that I have just opened up on Schoology for the quiz. Most everybody did a really good job on the quiz last week, but I have that updated, so I have that video available to you, so you can watch that video to see how you did or what you did wrong on some of those that you might have got last points on. So I would encourage you to also watch that video, so in that way you can see and learn from your mistakes, so you don't make those same mistakes on the test tomorrow. But otherwise, remember, we are starting a new chapter tomorrow. After you finish the test, you should watch the video for lessons 11.1 and 3.9. They're all in one space, or one location. You just want to make sure you watch both of them. So there's two stacked on top of each other in the videos for the next chapter. And I'll be making the changes, by the way, to the website tomorrow. So when you go tomorrow, after you finish the test and you click on the video button, it'll automatically jump into the folder for the last unit of the semester, because we're combining chapters 11 and chapter 3 into one unit. They don't relate to each other, but they're two partial chapters that we're just going to combine into one. But chapter 11 does continue with statistics and probability, so it's kind of a fun chapter. And then chapter 3, like I said, is going into some things with functions. But anyhow, that's going to start on Wednesday. So on Wednesday is an asynchronous day, so you'll be responsible for doing the work for the 11.1 and the 3.9 on your own. I'll have a warm-up with the video as an option too. So if you want to try the warm-up just to see if you can do those problems, or just watch the video for the warm-up, do that. But make sure that you've already watched the video for the actual lesson before watching the video for the warm-up. Otherwise, it's not going to do you any good. And then on Thursday, you want to make sure that on Thursday when you come to class that you are ready for 11.2. Because Thursday, that's when we're going to focus on 11.2. I'll do the warm-up for 11.2, do the assignment for 11.2, and then I'm just going to see you Friday. And then after that, we all get 2 weeks off, and I think we've all earned that. So there's not going to be any assignments. So even though we're starting a new lesson on Friday with lesson 11.3, we're not doing 11.4 when we get back after the break. What we're doing that first day that we get back from the break is just reviewing before taking a quiz. And so there's nothing new, so there's no videos to watch over break or anything like that. You just want to make sure you're all caught up with what we're doing this week, so in that way when we get back 2 weeks later, we'll have that opportunity to review and know what's going on, and then take that quiz the Tuesday after break. So that's what's coming up. I just wanted to share that with you. And again, I look forward to seeing how you guys do on the test tomorrow. So wish you the best of luck. Make sure that you take advantage, if you need to, of the class Google Meet as extra office hours. You got office hours today after school. I think my office hours for tomorrow morning are already booked up. But otherwise, even if it is, there's still plenty of opportunities for you to get that individual support through my class time today and after school today. So I look forward to seeing how you do, and good luck tomorrow.